Wildcat Mk1 is operated by the British Army's 1st Aviation Brigade Combat Team and Commando Helicopter Force. It performs a range of roles on the battlefield, including reconnaissance, transportation of troops and supplies, command and control, and force protection. It has an offensive capability through its 12.7mm M3M heavy machine gun or 7.62mm general-purpose machine gun. Wildcat Mk2 is the next-generation multi-role helicopter, specifically procured to operate from Royal Navy frigates and destroyers. It is capable of being armed with Stingray torpedoes, a 12.7mm caliber M3M cabin-mounted machine gun, and Martlet and Sea Venom missiles.